So, in the last section, we have assigned this lesson to our class, my class. Now, let's see if that has been assigned or not. Let me go to my Insert Learning dashboard, and here I want to check. I need to reload it to find out whether my lesson has been inserted to the to that class or not. Okay, so as you can see, this has been shared with my class, the Information and Communications Technology Wikipedia page has been shared with my class, and it is showing an assign button here again. It is showing this button because if you want to share it with some other classes, so since I've shared it with my one class, if you want to share this lesson in another class also, then you can select that class and some other class from classroom. So and then you can assign that. All right. So you can assign to multiple classes. The same lesson can be assigned. Okay. Then there are options. You can share this lesson with teachers if you want to share this lesson with some teachers. So you can share this lesson with teachers. So the link appears up here. You can share this link with the teachers and ask them to view or make a copy of your lesson. You allow this thing. Now here you see this one thing, publicly list this link. We will see the utility of this option and when we will go through the public library tab in the coming videos. So for now, we just see the link, we just copy the link and share it with our fellow teachers on email or on Twitter or on Facebook directly from here. Or you can share it on some WhatsApp group or Telegram group, wherever you like. You can share it with the teachers as well. Okay. So next option it's giving is edit info. If you want to edit some information about this lesson, so the name of the lesson is Information and Communication Technology. I want to remove, let's say, Wikipedia. The title is this, and I can select the subject area like English, Math, Science. So I'll say Science, and for grade level, for which grade level do you think this lesson is beneficial? This again, this list in public library thing is available. This thing will work for listing in public library. We'll get back to it in a moment. So let's say I am teaching this for the first year course, so I will click 13 plus for the graduation courses, and you can type in some tags here if you want to, some important instructions or some important tags like what they will get to study in this lesson. So I click on save, and I'm not clicking on the public list in public library button. We will get back to it once in we reach the that tab. So let's save it. So my lesson has been edited. Okay, then I can move it to some location like lessons. If I want to move it to some of my lessons, Insert Learning provides folders also to organize your lessons. So if I want to move it, or you do not want to move it, then you can leave it as it is. The last option is obviously delete button. You can delete your lesson if you do not like it. If you do not find it interesting, then you can delete it and start all over again, creating a new lesson. So this is about the lesson showing up in my Insert Learning dashboard that can be shared to my students in my class and other Google Classroom classes. I can create a new folder here to organize my lessons and keep them in a separate space so that I can classify them later. Again, I can create a new lesson here. This option gives me to access to all my classes. So here it is showing listing two classes, my class and my class. One I had created a test class earlier, and the one is we have created just now. So I can select whichever class I like to. So my class is this, and another my class. This there is no lesson in the second class, and in the first class there is one lesson. We'll continue with this in the next section.